how to see your first subscriber on YouTube. I'm going to show you how you can easily see your first subscriber on YouTube. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Navigate to the YouTube channel for which you want to see your first subscriber. Once you're on the channel, click on the profile icon again at the top right corner of the channel page. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, click on See All under the Recent Subscribers section. Here, you will be able to see a list of your subscribers. To find your first subscriber, you might need to scroll through the list or use the sorting options. You can also adjust the number of rows displayed per page by selecting an option like 30 rows per page. Additionally, you can filter the subscriber list by different time frames, such as last 7 days, lifetime, last 90 days, last 28 days, and 365 days.